A used car resource guide. Chapter 1. Used car buying resources. Used car guides. There are 3 major used car books. Edmunds Used Car Prices, Edmunds.com. Kelly's Blue Book, KBB.com, 800-288-1755. National Auto Dealers Association. Official Used Car Guide, NADA.com. These books will give you a fair market value of the cars you're interested in. Find them at the library, number 629. National Automobile Dealers Association to get info on used car prices. National Automobile Dealers Association. 8400 West Park Drive, McLean, Virginia 22102. 800-252-6232. 800-544 NADA. NADA.com. Several free booklets as well as the official used car guide in book form and on computer diskette. They can also refer you to a place to take your complaint to. NADA also publishes guides as follows. Official Older Used Car Guide. Official Used Car Trade-in Guide. Official Title and Registration Book. Official Recreation Vehicle Guide. Official Motorcycle/Snowmobile/ATV Personal Watercraft Appraisal Guide. Smaller Boat Appraisal Guide. Official Larger Boat Appraisal Guide. Official Mobile Home Appraisal Guide and Mobile Home Appraisal System. The average values listed in the NADA Office Used Car Guide are based upon reports of actual transactions by dealers and auction houses throughout each area for which a guide is published. A used car guidebook normally includes 1. Domestic cars. 2. Imported cars. 3. Trucks. A certified pre-owned car/CPO, guaranteed used car with a warranty. A certified pre-owned car is a used vehicle that has passed a rigorous inspection from the car dealer. A CPO car is much cheaper than buying a brand new one. Check your local newspaper for ads and local car dealers. They get the car back for one reason or another, often it's a repossession, so they resell a slightly used car. You get an almost new car for a lot less cost than a new car, and you get a manufacturer's warranty too. You can buy warranties for used cars or go the certified pre-owned route. Automobiles.honda.com/certified-used. Autos.cleveland.com/certified-used-cars. Autotrader.com. carsdirect.com/certified-pre-owned/how-to-buy-a-certified-pre-owned-auto. ehow.com, buy a certified pre-owned car. Used car info websites. buy-and-secrets.com/buy-a-used-car.html. carazoo.com/usedcars/used-car buying tips. Carfax.com, 888-422-7329, run the VIN for car's past history. carprov.com. cardps.com. cartrackers.com, look at past history of the car when buying a used one. cbc.ca/marketplace. autos.consumerreports.org. ftc.gov/bcp/edu/pub/consumer/autos/aut03.shtm, FTC Guide to Buying a Used Car. samarines.com, how to buy, maintain and sell a used car. samarines.com/check/simplecheck.html, check a car before you buy it. Used car buying websites. 1. auctiondirect.com. autobuoy.com. auto.nationalfinder.net. autobase.com. autobytel.com. autocheck.com, get history of vehicle records for $5. autoconnect.com. autodealers.net. automart.com. automotive.com. automotivemileposts.com. autonation.com. autonetusa.com. autorecyclersonline.com. autos.com. autotrader.co.uk. autotrader.co.za, South Africa. Autotrader.com, Autotraderszone.com, Autovantage.com, AutoEB.com. Used car buying websites too. Blackbukusa.com, 800-554-1026, pricing service and book used by dealers. Canada.motoseller.com, used cars. Carcasher.com, used car deals. Carclearance.net. Carcrash.com. Cardai.com. Cardomain.com. Carlist.com. Carmax.com. Carpill.com. Carpoint.com. Carprice.com. Carprices.com. Carproev.com. Cars.com. Carsdirect.com/used_cars. Carsearch.com/buying-used.html. Carsmart.com. Carsonline.com. Cars-on-line.com. Carsoup.com. Carspot.com. Carsurvey.org. Cardps.com. Used car buying websites 3. Dealsonwheels.com. deltime.com/used cars. diamondlot.com. ebay.com/ebay motors. ebaymotors.com. ecarmarketing.com. ehopcars.com. ehopcars.com. fordpreowned.com. justgoodcars.com. notaguides.com, find values and other resources for used cars, classic cars, motorcycles, boats, recreational vehicles and manufactured homes. the-used-cars.net. Titleistcarclearance.com. Trader.com. Traderonline.com. ubuimotors.com. used.cars.alltheservices.com. usedcars.car-advisor.org. usedcars.com. usedcars2.com. usedcarsautosale.com. Car ad websites at cali.org/en/shopping/classifieds/automotive/free. Autoexplosion.com, Auto Explosion. Searchable used vehicle database, consumers may post free ads with photos. Autop10.com, AUTOP10.com. Identifies the 10 cheapest classified car ads based search criteria. Inventory, blog, and form to sell a car. CarTruckTrader.com, Car Truck Trader. New and used vehicles for sale. Manage account and view dealer directory. CarMarket.com, Car Market. Provides compact, tabular list of cars for sale. CarsDir.com, CarsDir.com. Shop, buy or sell with free ads. International site with automatic tracking for your location. CarsForSale.com, CarsForSale.com. Searchable database of new and used cars for sale by owner and dealer. YourTrucksForSale.com, Your Trucks for Sale. An online community for the sale and marketing of trucks, trailers, and tractors. Free to join. Classified ads on the Internet. You could find a used car in an Internet classified ad. Craigslist.org. Kijiji.com. Abcads.com. Adpost.com. Adsize.com. BigsTEP.com. Bizell.com. CLASSIFIEDS2000.com. ClassifiedZerouse.com.